Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and it's time to pick a winner! Okay, so if you're not aware, I had a secret giveaway, and it was sponsored by Fire Co. Thank you, Fire Co. So one of you is going to win 3 hooks. Oh my gosh! This was open worldwide, and I'm really sorry if you missed it, but I'm sure there'll be more giveaways on this channel. Once again, I would like to thank Fire Co. for being the sponsor and wanting to partner with me. This is still very, very exciting, and I can't wait to see who wins the 3 hooks. Before we pick a winner, though, I asked you guys to use a clever way of using the keyword. The keyword was May in your comment. And I have to say, before we pick a winner, there is one I have to read because it was so clever. And honestly, I would never have thought to do this. So, I may crochet as I conspire to win these hooks of my desire. It may not work, it may backfire, but I did subscribe as you require. I may go overboard as I aspire, thinking about the mistakes makes me perspire. The situation may not be dire, but nothing beats the hooks of Fire. Brilliant. Brilliant. That is my favorite comment. This is the kind of creativity I was kind of hoping would happen. I didn't know someone would write an entire poem, but very cool. Okay, so I have loaded the keyword into the random picker. I have copied the link, and it says we got 65 comments. Woohoo! Okay, is everybody ready? I've never done this before, so please bear with me. Here we go. Congratulations. You know what? It's probably going to be backwards. Hold on. WV Jerry 67. I subscribe to Fire, and I've been subscribed to your awesome channel for a while now. Fire has so many beautiful hooks. I have not tried them yet, but they are on my list to get and try. I can't believe it's May already, and the spring blossoms are full in bloom. A truly beautiful time of year. Well, congratulations! I am so happy for you. So, here's what you need to do. First of all, everyone, please congratulate her. And I need you to email me. My email is going to be right here. I need you to email me because I need your name and your address information to send to Fire. So, if you could contact me, that would be great. I'll give you about a week, and then if you haven't contacted me, we'll have to pick a new winner. So, thank you so much, everyone who participated. Of course, there's going to be more giveaways on the channel. If you missed this one, if you didn't win, it's okay. I'm so glad you were here today. This is a short one. I'm not sure there's going to be another video this week. Maybe. I'm not sure yet. I had a Mother's Day video planned, and then something happened. I'll probably make a vlog about it next week. But thank you all so much for being here today. WV Jerry 67, please contact me as soon as possible so I can get the information to Fire and you can get your hooks. So remember, everybody, please join the Facebook group. It is so fun over there. We have a lot of members. I lost count. It's over 100, which already shocks me. We have a wonderful group chat. We have some voting going on. And they get to see the new patterns before anybody else. They even got a free pattern for Star Wars Day. This little guy. I made a little Ewok. And if you join the Facebook group, you can make him too. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. It helps the algorithm, which helps my channel, which helps me put out more content for you. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.